The diet dilemma. Here's a question for you. How many times have you embarked on a diet only to find yourself back at square one? Keto, paleo, intermittent fasting. The promises are grand, but the results often are fleeting. Why is that? Why don't diets work? Ram Kapoor's transformation. Let's delve into the story of Ram Kapoor, a name synonymous with Indian television. Known for his roles Bade Achhe Lagte Hai and Kasam Se, Ram was as famous for his talent as he was for his imposing physique. At his heaviest, he tipped the scales at 140 kilograms. Yet, in a remarkable journey, he shed 55 kilograms over 18 months without resorting to surgery or weight loss drugs. How did he achieve this? The answer is a mindset shift. In a candid interview, Ram revealed, "Believe it or not, I did it the old-fashioned way, by changing my mindset, lifestyle, and habits without any surgery or external aids." This wasn't his first attempt at weight loss. He admitted, "I'd lost 30 kilos twice in the past, only to gain it all back." The difference this time? A commitment to lifelong change rather than temporary fixes. The wake-up call, health over career. Turning 50 served as a pivotal moment for Ram. Despite a thriving career, his health was deteriorating. He confessed, "I was unhealthy. I'd feel breathless after walking just 20 steps. I was diabetic, had a foot injury, and struggled with even basic movement." The realization that he needed to set a positive example for his two children propelled him into action. Ram's strategy encompassed more than just dietary changes. He focused on fitness, nutrition, sleep, exercise routines, hydration, and fasting intervals. He stated, "Fitness isn't just about the number on the scale. It's about feeling strong, energetic, and healthy." This comprehensive approach underscores the importance of viewing health as a multifaceted endeavor. The role of intermittent fasting, a sustainable lifestyle. Intermittent fasting became a cornerstone of Ram's regimen. He described his routine. "As soon as I wake up in the morning, I do an hour of weightlifting on an empty stomach. And at night, just before sleeping, I do cardio." This disciplined schedule, coupled with dietary adjustments, facilitated his transformation. While the public marveled at his physical transformation, Ram's family recognized the profound personal journey he had. He shared, "My family understands the depth of my change, which extends beyond the physical transformation that most people notice first." This highlights the significance of internal motivation and support in achieving lasting health outcomes. The path to sustainable health. Ram Kapoor's journey illustrates that diets alone are insufficient for sustainable weight loss. It's about a holistic lifestyle change, a shift in mindset, and a commitment to long-term health. As he aptly put it, it's not about following a diet for a few months. It's about changing who you are as a person. So, the next time you're tempted by a quick fix diet, consider Ram's story and ask yourself, is this a temporary solution, or am I ready for a lifelong transformation? This is Leena signing off.